Hello guys, in today's video, we're going to remove the background of a picture and overlay it to another picture. You have to open Microsoft Word. Then, go to a blank document. Go to Insert, Pictures, then go to this device. Look for the pictures that you want to insert here. Like for me, Alcacia Calidora is the picture I want to insert. Press Insert. Done. And then make your picture bigger, just like the size of your paper. Perfect. Then press Insert again, Pictures, and this device. Another picture is the time water mat. Now that's done, spread your picture again. Hala! After that, press crop. Pull this, then crop again. You crop this part, and this part. After that, press crop again. Then make your picture bigger. Go to remove background. Mark areas to keep, and then draw the head. Again, we're gonna write here. Make sure you have steady hands to do this. Now that's done, mark areas to remove. Now that's done, press the keep changes. Then press the side. Go to insert again. Click picture format. And then press wrap text. Press this in front of text. Add add it to the picture we have done previously, and then make the baby smaller. Move the baby on the top of the leaf to make it look like it's laying on the leaf. Make it look realistic so no one will get mad at me. Perfect. Now that's done, press the side again, and then press this, press file, and then done. Go to save and add and browse. And the name of my file is doc4. Then press save. That's done. Thank you for watching.